Hey, coming up on NMTV, a quick look at the deli and a couple of upcoming events that you got to know about. NMTV starts now. Yeah, no. All right. Let's get past that intro. Just a heads up, a quick look at the calendar. We're talking about some upcoming events. The first one being, hey, we got winter break. Obviously, starts right after school on Friday. I mean, you could say it starts on Saturday, but it starts right at the final bell, 1:40 on Friday. So have a fun and safe 2 weeks. Looks like we might have some colder weather. We might have a white Christmas. Have a fun holiday break, and we'll see you back here on the 6th. January 6th is when we come back, so please don't miss it and think that it's a 3-week break. Now, so Monday the 6th is when we come back. Tuesday the 7th in January is when we have our first ASB meeting in the new year. And then another really important date is the end of the semester, which is actually also coinciding with the end of January. So February 3rd, Monday, February 3rd, is the first day of the second semester. So make sure that all your grades are in order by the end of January, because those grades are final. They will go on your transcript. So please be aware of what you're doing in Skyward, ask your teacher, and figure out how you can get the best grade that you deserve by the end of January. A couple other things to tell you about. We have the deli menu for this week, a couple of delicious items here. Take a look. On Tuesday, we have shredded chicken tacos with black beans and rice. On the 18th, Wednesday, we have pot roast with acorn squash and roasted vegetables. Thursday, we have Cornish pie and beef pasty and potato cakes. That sounds pretty good. And on the 20th, Friday, Chef's Special. So who knows what that could be, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious, as it always is. Thanks, Deli. You've had a great great way to finish 2013, and we'll see you back in the new year. We appreciate all your service. Lastly, I'm doing this show this week because my students are busy working on a long format, half-hour or more, variety show that's going to be broadcast live across campus, and hopefully, if we can figure out the streaming thing, across the world on Friday. So the final day of the week, final day of the 2013 school year before winter break, we're going to be live about an hour into each class. So if you want, we sure hope you tune in. We hope you enjoy it. It should be funny, should be weird, random, a lot of variety, a lot of entertainment, all kinds of weird stuff that we've concocted for you. Hosted and run live out of our classroom as our studio across the world. So we will see you either online or on closed circuit TV, because the TVs in your room will be showing it, depending on your signal strength. And if your signal doesn't look good, then go look us up on Ustream, because we'll be there too. So hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the new year if you don't see us live on Friday. Bye-bye.